One thing I want to tell you in this video is, if you are quite beginner, I mean you are pretty much beginner, you should start learning, yes, storytelling. And why I have raised this topic, because if you master storytelling, you will be able to speak over any small topic very easily. Yeah. And I have started speaking English through storytelling. Yes, and by this I have come to this level now. Yeah. So, and yeah, don't lose your heart. Always learn this language happily, because what happens nowadays, there are countless people, they forget themselves. Yes, they immerse so much in English, they forget themselves. Yes, they forget how to live happy life, they forget how to talk with people. Yeah, so don't commit this mistake. This is really important thing. Yeah, and talk to real people. I can understand your problem. Yeah, when we talk to real people, especially when we are in beginner in the language, no words, yes, no words, no sentences come to our mind. And what happens, due to this reason, we got demotivated. Yes, we lose our heart, but we should not lose our heart, because growth always happens in uncomfortable moment. Yes, so don't afraid of discomfort. Discomfort is a good. If you always put yourself in discomfort, I mean, yes, in growth zone, it is good. And yes, everybody go through this thing. You are not alone in this world. Yes, around everybody who want to growth in their, who want to see growth in their life. So this is very natural thing. And yeah, if I have committed any mistakes, I mean if I have spoken wrong during this conversation, during this session, during this video, please forgive me, having considered your elder brother, because I'm learning also along with you. And we are human, everybody make mistake. You will not find even a single person in this world who doesn't make mistake, who always speak uh, English or any language correctly. Yes, who always do his work correctly. No, it is impossible. You cannot find even one person. Yeah.